Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be playing this game called Train vs Car, and basically what you do is you get one of these, like you can get a truck, there's different types of trucks, or you can get a car which is over here, which I'm going to, whoa, sir, right, we're going to go get a car over here, and then we're going to go and try and make it up that hill, because every 10 minutes the map cleans, and we're at 23 minutes, so my goal is to try and make it up to the top of the hill. So what car shall we have? Van. We'll go for a van because they're a lot more powerful than the station wagon. So jump in this car. I can't turn. Oh, whoa. Okay, it's kind of hard to turn, but I know how to do it. Okay, someone's got a bus. So the idea is if we watch this dude in the bus, if he stays there, a train will come past and go boom straight into the car, and it pushes the bus all the way over there. My goal is to get into the middle. Can I do it? I'm stuck. Oh, I did it. Go. Then, if we get to the top of the hill, we'll come flying back down. But well, cool. So I'm just cruising. The thing about this is this car is really slow, but it's also to say this is not like a fancy game, Roblox. Whoa, the detail is good, and look how like the lights shine in this tunnel. Like all these lights, it's a cool game. It's called Train vs Car 2.0 if you want to play it. So we're in first person. We're almost at the end now. I wish you could get like super boost cars. Come on. Oh well, we know where the train spawns. I know what we're doing. We're going to where the train spawns on its track. We're going to see what happens if you do that. Can I get on? Ooh. I could drive back down like this. I think, was it about here? Go back here. Right, now we have to wait. Oh, that's the other train, by the way. That little orange thing there for the mouses. That's the other train from the other side. Here it comes. Oh. Oh, well, that was weird. So, what should we get in? Let's get in a explosive tanker, that one. Right. Get in this. Let's try drive to the train tracks and see if this thing actually blows up. Uh-oh. I think this... Are we stuck? What? Wait, what does it say? It says VIP teleport up here. What happens if we go there? VIP spawn. I've never been here. Police cruiser, police van, explosive pickup. Whoa. Oh, I guess you can't use the VIP stuff if you're not a VIP. Right, let's try and get in the explosive tanker and try do it again. Ooh, it's like parkour to get in. Although you can jump on the roof. And then you've got to try and find the seat inside. Right, we're gonna try and make this corner. Ooh, I think we're back stuck. Oh no. Oh, we just missed it. We're gonna have to wait here. Right. Like, just about here, because that other car's stuck. Or bus. I like how this dude's just chilling here. I was like, yeah, life's great. I'm am about to die. I'm gonna jump out of it and watch. I think the front of it's probably gonna get destroyed right now. Ooh. I hope the other train's here. Will it explode? Oh, well that's a lie. Okay, we're gonna respawn. Go back over here. Usually, I've played it a couple of times. Usually you can spawn in different places like at the school. You can get a school bus and all sorts of places. But it won't let me spawn anywhere else. If I click respawn, it just takes me over there. So the map is about to clean, which basically means that all this junk over there is just gonna fall like a hole in the sky. I keep getting points. I don't know what they're for. Now, the last time I tried, this didn't work. I don't know what that does. I get here. Let's get in a station wagon this time. We're gonna actually go onto the tracks, and I'm gonna sit in the car and see how far my dead body flies from this. So, oh, yeah. So that was a bit weird. Oh, I spawned here. So this is a school. There's like, I don't know. I think these are really high desks. I think whoever made this made the chair a little bit too high. Yep, they did. I'm guessing that's supposed to be a computer there. Let's get in a school bus. And just jump across. Ooh, that's the box semi if you wanted to know what that was. So come on. I'm clicking the turn button and it barely turns. Literally, it's going forwards and backwards. I'm clicking turn. And now I'm going into the school. This truck. Ooh. Ooh, made it. I don't think we're going to be able to make it. I'm not sure. Go. We're on the track now. We just wait for the other train to spawn. Then boom. That anything comes behind me, I don't think you can just. Let's go first person. Oh no, we can't see. Ready? Boom. Oh, the train fell off the track from it. Right, so there's one more thing that I need to show you, and that is actually you can get buses. So we go on the spawn. City bus, via bus, old fashioned city bus. So let's do city bus. And that's what this looks like. So quite modern. Quite cool. Wait, why is there another seat? 2 seats. But the bus is trapped. What? That's kind of weird. Let's see how much damage the orange train does. Let's go sideways for this one. There we go. Right, now let's just wait here. Oh, it's coming. Oh. Go. Oh. I'm still. Wait, does the bus still drive? Oh, it's kind of moving. It's stuck though. The wheels are spinning. That wheel's gone. Front wheels. Oh, it's going. Oh my gosh, I'm driving a bus with 2 wheels and it's got no roof or side. The lights are still cool though. Let's just get as close to the side as possible and then see if this train hits it. No. I think I must. Yeah, I'm stuck in this little grey thing here. wheels still spin? There is not. I mean, the engine's still work. I don't even know where the engine is. The engine's either right underneath me or in this little back zone, just there, possibly. I think this train's gonna hit the side. Come on. Ooh. 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 Oh. So, yeah. So, I would not recommend doing that to your bus. So, this thing, I don't even know, the seat's got, oh look, there's the wheel. They see me roll, all those haters. Ooh. Like ball. Right, if you want to see more Train vs Cat, leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Also click the bell to get all my notifications, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye!